Welcome back to my channel, guys. I finally am able to do my empty apartment tour, so let's get into it.
Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my
So we're gonna come in from the front door and open it up. I love the floors in this apartment. When you first come in the door, you see my little storage closet. It's got a good amount of space, a shelf in it, just a typical coat closet. Then right next to that, you have these beautiful built-ins. This is like one of my favorite features because I have so many books. And then there's these pendulum, I don't know how you say it, those lights. I love those. And then granite throughout the kitchen and actually throughout the entire house. When you look to the right, you see my living room. It has a ceiling fan, which was a very important feature for me, and a fireplace. I plan on mounting my TV on top of the fireplace. And it's got these laminate floors, which are very easy to clean. And the fireplace, as I said, and it's actually wood burning, so I'm not really sure if I'm actually going to use it. I'm kind of scared to use it in an apartment, but I might use it around the holidays. It doesn't really get that cold here in Georgia, so we'll just have to see. So I'm doing this as a voiceover because I broke my mic, my external mic from my camera, but just excuse any like random things that you see because I was trying to get this done before my furniture got here. So this is a desk area to the side of the kitchen. And as you go into the kitchen, I have a pantry, which I love the pantry. I'm going to be filming some content on pantry organization as I start to fill it and organize it. We have stainless steel appliances throughout. So this is my fridge. Love it. Love stainless steel appliances. The shelves above the fridge. I've been looking on Pinterest on decorating kitchen shelves, so I'm gonna do something with that. I really enjoyed the detail of this remodel. These apartments are recently remodeled, so like I said, I have all stainless steel appliances, brand new appliances. The subway tile was a beautiful feature. I love a backsplash. My last apartment didn't have any backsplash, so I'm really excited to have such an updated apartment. This is the laundry room. I had to order a washer and dryer. So when I filmed this, the washer and dryer hadn't come yet. So this is the space for the washer and dryer. Is a full-size laundry room, and the laminate floors go throughout. Now this is what I really love. The farm sink. I watched so much HGTV, but the farm sink was something that I really was impressed with. Of course, we have a dishwasher and just like this huge, beautiful sink with nice granite throughout the entire house. So cool. Love it. So as you leave from the kitchen, this was probably what sold me on this apartment. The fact that the dining room area is separate from the living room, because this is actually going to be my filming studio. It's not going to be a dining room. I'm just going to put bar chairs by the kitchen to eat, and this whole space will be my filming studio. So I'm very excited about that. That's where all the beautiful light is, by the sliding door. And now my bathroom, I have this huge tub, and I didn't really film it all the way to the ceiling, but my current shower curtain is actually not long enough. That's how tall this tub is and how deep it is, that I'm actually gonna have to order an extra long shower curtain to give you guys an idea of how big it is. And then, like I said, the granite goes throughout the entire apartment. It's in the bathroom, it's in the kitchen. It just really gives it a cohesive look. And these white cabinets, I forgot to mention it when I was talking about the kitchen, but love the white. I've never had a white kitchen or cabinets or anything like that, so this is really exciting. And for this to be a 1 bedroom apartment, there's like a ton of storage. I have a full linen closet, which I didn't have in my last apartment. So I'm just really excited to have so much storage throughout this entire apartment. So there's 2 doors on the bathroom, and so this is the second door that leads into the master, or into the only bedroom actually. And so this is my bedroom. Again, ceiling fans. Ever since I got sick, because of the treatment, I get really bad hot flashes. So ceiling fans were very important for me when I was looking for apartments in the areas. And a lot of places didn't have ceiling fans, so this is like the only one that I saw in my price range that had ceiling fans, so I'm really excited about that. And the laminate wood goes throughout the entire apartment. There's no carpet in this apartment, so I actually had to get a Swiffer wet jet. So this is one of my favorite parts. This is the closet. This is the biggest closet I've ever had. It's a very deep closet. It has a lot of shelving, plenty of space for all my shoes, sneakers, clothes, all that stuff. So I'm really excited to get some organizational stuff. There is actually a Container Store right down the street from me, so I've got like a lot of ideas, and I'll be sure to film that as I, get this place together. So that's it for the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the empty one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.